This lady is making attachments from plantain stems. Like this attachment you are seeing here is being made from plantain stems. Like, is that not amazing? Ma, please, I want to know how you came about this whole thing. What process does this stuff pass through? Like from the stems to this attachment. How do you get to do it?
The first step is to cut the stem. Yes, from the pseudo stem. When you cut out the trunk, then you slice it to smaller sizes. After slicing, you go through the extracting machine. Initially, we used to do manual extraction, but now we have a machine. So you go through the machine extracts it out, and then after that, we now comb it again manually. There is also a machine for combing, but we don't have that, so we do manual combing. After the combing, we now go for softening.
So this particular attachment now can be used for your hair?
Sure, this one I have here is from this.
Wow! Yes. So they don't need to buy expensive hairs from outside the country again?
Well, for now, this is expensive.
Oh,
yes, because of the manual processes.
So like how much is this?
For this, the attachment of 150 gram is 20,000.
Okay.
Yes.
It's not that expensive compared to human hair.
No, not at all. It's far lower than human hair.
And this is made from plantain stems.
Yes, and it's reusable.
It's reusable?
Yes, several times. The more you use it, the more it becomes even more beautiful.
So come. Let me carry the camera. Come. Let me show you guys something. So this particular lady here is using it to make her hair. The one she's using is being dyed. As you guys can see, this is the one she's using right here. It's being dyed, and that's what she's using to make her hair. And you can see how fine it is looking. Wow. And that is plantain stems. Like, it's being used to make this. I'm short of words, man. This is one of them too.
Yes.
Wow.
That's a dyed one.
Okay, this is a dyed one.
Yeah.
How long does it take you to produce this from that stem to this particular level where you can actually use it to make your hair?
If it's a cap like this,
this level.
For this, we can do one full one a day now.
Oh, a day?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, it can. The attachment can be produced within a day.
Are you serious?
Just a couple of hours, as long as the machines are there. Yes.
When did you get the idea of this?
Well, some through research, then others through inspiration.
Wow. This is something a lot of people don't know about men.